Hey, obi bụ ekelekwa m ọnụ nke a okwu a bụ nnọọ okwu a na-adụ ya aka na-agba ekwu. Kedu na asị kana ka m jụọ, kedu na ihe na-ese dịrị Ijele na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today? Ya akọwanwu, because a na-ekwu okwu ọ dịza ka asị na kedu ihe na-eseli Ijele na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today? Asị na ka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pụta, Ijele pụta, can Ijele pinpoint ihe na-esenye na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Ọ na-alụ gị nwunye gị, ọ na-alụ gị enyi gị nwaanyị, ọ jụ gị ebu na nwa, ọ nọ bịara your wedding, o nwere ihe isi ya mee ọ na mere ọrụ gị? Because achịkata m ihe achịkata ihe asị biko, because na ebe nwata na-ebe akwa alụ aka nne ya nọrọ nne ya na mana ndebechigezi now kedu ihe Ijele ya pụta nwokwu Igbo today nọ ya nwere esere ya na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Because the situation is getting out of hand. Watch them gonna get this video until you know ya nisi. Kono no hi Ijele kwukasi maka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yotago ko si wish Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nwụọ na nga ka ọ nwa. Rahi Ijele na-ekwu. The name of this video.
Umu ozu. I don't let on rest small, abi. Of course, you knew it was coming. You knew it was coming. Una know say una father dey come small time. So no be say una be no. Una know now. And I know so now father they come. My wonderful people, grand rising. I salute you all. Yeah. Their mind go day. Their mind go day. Their mind go day. I greet you, my people. My people, please hit the like button and share the video as you're joining. How did you spend your Easter? We've come back. I myself have been resting. I greet you, my wonderful people, which I'm trying to make sure Yes, my people, I greet you. Salute, please, thumbs up, and share with friends and family. Share with friends and family, you know, say, oh man. That's your buying and they can I see you. Ebukangene. I greet you. Let me block one also. Hey, I greet you, my wonderful people. Please, thumbs up. Achibe. Acho Alpha one day. Hey. Let me block another very useless set of people. I never see anything. Thought I never begin fire on a useless family. This one say who is yours? Please, is who are your people? We don't even simple English. You can't write. I'm talking about human beings. I'm not talking about bingos. So you bingo, let me even block you first, because I don't like when you people are awarding yourself these titles. When I say my people, I know the people I'm talking about, not fools. Okay, ancestry. I greet you, my in-law. I'm speaking about smart and intelligent people. Like, this page is not for just anyhow person. We are not here to look for followers. We are looking for people who can reason, who can think, people who can challenge our intelligence, people who can rub minds together. They said iron sharpeneth iron. So if you are not even any metal of any sort, why would you even be here? Okay, so this place is not for general consumption. You go to where you people do your entertainment, your football, your whatever. Okay? The bar. I see you, my brother. No, they are the ones bringing the fights now, themselves. Money where they use their hand chop, and then they use their hand, they bring her out. Now they don't admit, say, the own hand they chop. This, before they were reluctant to mention Nnamdi's name. Now Nnamdi has started kicking them under the bus. Now let me tell you what will start happening. Nnamdi is going to start setting each and every one of them up, one after the other. How these people thought that he will set up the very first DOS and leave them. Go check the statement he made to the DSS the first time he was arrested. He told them that it was the DOS that sent him. And who are the DOS? We are talking about Dr. Clifford Iluanadem. Those are the people he heaped it on. So this time around, all these ones, while he can't heap most of all these things on them, because most of the things that he was judged with were things he said with his own mouth. Okay? There are the things he said with his own mouth. So now, no escape from those things. What he will now do is to start setting them up one after the other. As in that Sokoto prison, they frustrate too. They frustrate because he can't be there, especially now when you get phone. Everybody knows that if you are under Nigerian prison system, getting phone is not difficult unless you don't want to. Now he will be there, seeing these people making videos, and many of these things, these people are saying he did not authorize it. Being that he did not authorize it and he was in the DSS that time, they weren't listening to him. So now it pains him that the people he brought into his scam are not listening to him, because this is how life works. If you know the okay? Are you understanding me now? So all these things now waiting go dey pain now. As in day like this, you go dey frustrate inside there. All the things where you do, all the connections where you make, and the politicians will not wait for you. They will not wait for you. The reason they are even still talking about him is because they've not found a single person that can hold the whole scam together the way he was holding it for them. Are you understanding me now? So that is why, let me block one also. That is why they cannot allow him to just go like that. Nobody else. Okay? Nobody else will do those things. Now Nnamdi go dey there, he go dey pay now. One, Emmanuel, him brother, no get that level of intelligence to gather all those things. One, you no get the discipline. Okay? He doesn't have the discipline to control it. He doesn't have the charisma. He doesn't have the aura. Look at a man can this way when they waka like a canopy, you no stand well. Canopy kukunebu. Now you anchor, waiting you want do. He no even fit talk straight. He knows that he can't. He can't compose himself. The only person who can compose himself and speak is who? Kanunta. But Kanunta is not living in Nigeria, one. And you know, say you get where you go dey Europe reach to come dey Nigeria go dey hard you. And they get some kind things where they do on the ground where Kanu no fit do. Okay? So many things where Kanu no fit do. So e dey risky for am. Emmanuel na onye nke ahụ na Okonkoja. Onweghị your pastor. Onweghị nke ọchị. It's just to be the point man, go there, politician give you 10 naira, come tell them say na 2 naira they give you. They follow you go. They no follow am go. Nobody follow am go. You understand? So now why all of them they do this the way they do, now they shake. Everywhere they shake. And you know say Chinasa Nwuru na he no get too much base for Nigeria. No, only a few people wey they work with, and all these people wey get camps. Make no mistake about it. Oh, Chinasa no be gentleman. All these camps where they see, Chinasa no many of them wey get them. Now that is where the push me I push you comes into play. How further are they willing to push each other? Because if on a two push Chinasa, oge koto keke, koto kafo, koto kunkwo, eotago, he go hold everybody. Now, the engine room back home, like I've been telling you people, the only guy man way there amongst all these people na Benjamin Madubugu. If you notice, Benjamin Madubugu has been able to play himself into a place whereby he will be able to stay in Nigeria. I agree to my brother. He will be in Nigeria and is not under the threat of arrest or anything. From that their first arraignment, he has been maintaining his level, maintaining his stance as guy man. You understand? The only problem is that Benjamin is not as widely read or researched as the rest of them. There are so many things like formal ways of doing things which he is. If had Benjamin Madubugu gone to school, or he is like that kind, a bit self-educated, to cover himself very well, he would have been the one leading this thing for a long time. If Benjamin had the level of exposure Chinasa Nwuru has, and his level of intelligence, because when it comes to intelligence, Benjamin Madubugu is naturally intelligent. He knows how to play himself into every single circle he finds himself in. Are you understanding me now? Had he been the one, had Nnamdi Kanu the type of intelligence, streetwise, street wisdom Benjamin Madubugu has, he wouldn't be in this problem he is now. Now, the key man there is Benjamin Madubugu. And so long Benjamin Madubugu has not turned on Nnamdi Kanu, believe me, he is still okay. Nnamdi still has a serious backing. And I believe whatever will be going on, he likely, me I know they talk with him, I know sure. Or anything I not get any evidence about. But I'm telling you, Benjamin Madubugu, he knows how to play. You will see, you will never see Benjamin coming here to exchange talk with anybody. That does not mean he doesn't know his target. Okay? That does not mean he doesn't know what he's doing. His eyes are always on the ball, but he knows how to operate. Not a madman like Nnamdi Kanu who thinks he's invisible. One thing Benjamin has going for him is that he knows his limit, which Nnamdi Kanu doesn't. Okay? Which Nnamdi Kanu does not have. If he did, he will know some troubles he will not enter into. So now they are exposing each other. Oh, you chop money, you not chop. Imagine Nnamdi using his fake account to call a Jofo bleaching cream. Barrister bleaching cream. See, una go later use on a mouth. Tell on herself the truth, what you wanna do for Igbo land. Anybody expecting them to come and expose how they've been buying people, you are wasting your time. But they've already told you. You know, see, in trying to respond to Nnamdi Kanu's threat, they are not, oh, we know you are buying people. Oh, you people are now agreeing that he's buying people. Eh? Somebody said, Ijele, that Benjamin Madibugu is living large in Abuja. I said, I'm telling you, Benjamin is the only guy man amongst those people. He is the only guy man amongst those people. You will not see him exchanging words with anybody. You will not see Benjamin going to insult president, going to insult governor. That does not mean he is not encouraging the others to do it. No. Because he is a pure operative. I doubt there is any serious camp in Igbo that Benjamin does not know the person controlling it or the people in charge. I seriously doubt. I seriously doubt it. That shows you that natural intelligence, which the Nnamdi Kanu does not have. Which the Nnamdi Kanu does not have. Now, these issues you are seeing brewing in their midst, they are now attacking. Imagine even they say now they say 100-man committee. 100-man committee to replace the DOS. And they will still use other people to replace this 100-man committee. 2027 election, they come now. Now, dear, they go chop dead rat. Of course, now click by click now. Everybody carry their own. Meanwhile, the boys in the field are now on their own. Ebony people don't gather their own. Waiting be named Jukwes and Sapele. Even to this point, say they don't even separate. No be the other way you can get talk and now no say they don't separate. Yeah, but group pushing and buka. Ndi neje buka moto ndi mwado. You know, I remember the day while I go that spare parts market in Buka. I remember what I tell them. I said, no be say we no know what to they do. We know. We know what they do for this market, but the day we will go get that. It's up to Governor Chukwuma Soludo. Because so many interests in Anambra State don't want this thing to stop. Yes. So many political actors in Anambra State see army barracks on it, see Mbuka, the same local government area, and they can't sanitize that market. They don't know all the people involved. Is that what you're telling me? You don't know the people selling spare parts there? Me, where they here for Abuja, no. But on a way they the same LGA with on a no get military intelligence. DSS no da Anambra State. Police intelligence no day. On a means no all those market leaders, all those markets are under the Anambra State government. And you are telling me you can't fish out these people. Kwe furundi Igbo ba iyi obujo unu butere na bunu bu ya ga-eri unu. Omanfum also so fun kpuru nwa mbe ihe no Nigeria. sọsọ ofu mkpụrụ nwa m bụ ihe nọ Nigeria and ọ nọọkwu nso sef. So ọnwụnwa unu ma ndị sọpọtụrụ asọpọtụ ma ndị gbara nkịtị o ma ndị nọ na-amụ amụ mgbe a na-ekwu ya ọnwụnwa ka ọ ga-ha n'isi. Ụmụ m can decide not to come to this Nigeria one day, they don't care. Ancha jicha passport. Akụnụ na ihe na-ekwu. Ha ncha niile jicha passport obodo amụrụ ha. So if you kwere na nna agwa gị na ọ maka mmụọ onwe gị for yourself. For yourself. People like us, they no born anybody well. You dey hear me? They never born anybody ashawo mama well. No itinye isi eyiye nga egwu ifu ka nna agafe egwu ama nkwedi gị ruo nso. So ya na-agwa unu bụ zọba onwe unu. Zọba na onwe unu. As for me, chukwu kofe egbu mmadụ like ị na-igodo ara, ị na-aṅụgodo ụmụ, echigodi gị bleach, ị na-aṅụgodo hypo, ị na-esegodi sewage, ifu ma ọgbafuo gị n'anya. Ọfụ unu nwa ka a na-ekwu. Fọ unu nwa obi zọba onwe ya. A na-ekwu unu gbachicha nkịtị n'ebe unu niile ka ọ dị na. Somebody say they have Shabbat. Which Shabbat? Now the same people. All these their nonsense synagogue where they see, all these places where they do their Shabbat rubbish. From day one, those places have been hideouts for criminals. It's the same people. It's the same people. They just change their names. The same people. Are you hearing me now? Now the same people, nothing like Shabbat. What is mean of Shabbat? Shabbat means Sabbath. Shabbat means Sabbath. Okoko, bingo. Will I still teach you people this one again? Okay, this is the name they've christened it. It is the same Sabbath. That's what it means. Shabbat means Sabbath. It means Saturn. Saturn. In the old ancient world is being represented by a black cube. Okay? That thing you call Star of David is Star of Renfrew. If you go to the North Pole of Saturn, you see it there. All right? Type the planet Saturn. You will see that thing you call Star of David there on its North Pole. You can even watch the live satellite feed right now as I'm speaking to you. Ebe ọbụla eshi wete nonsense ọbụla ewetara abịa n'unu ihe ọbụla gwara unu eburu na-agba. Bunch of illiterates. Illiterates, no, enwe nke na-eme research, nothing. Onweghị ofu mkpụrụ m ihe bụ research. Ihe ọbụla eburu akọrọ abịa. What is meaning of Shabbat? Shabbat is Sabbath, Saturday. It is the same people. Okay? It is the same people. Oh, all of them you see. Every single place, if we had you emere temple before they formed this ESN, when they were still BSS, their Biafra Secret Service, Lion Squad and Volunteer. Now that place they hide their guns since. Go ask, go figure. When they started in Osu, what's the name of this man? that was having problem with Matador. Matador ke ebere amụ n'Ọsụ. Matador ke ebere amụ n'Ọsụ. That man name Sabata on this did not start today. They are just trying to rebrand. It's the same people. Nothing like Shabbat. It's the same people. Now, if they are buying the ones they are buying, the living ones, once the other boys, jobless boys in the villages, in the cities, are seeing that these people have money, they will be joining them to make their own money. So they will be changing names. This group will move. Once this group will understand what's going on, you see all those small ones around Butuzo, and that they are like, let them go and dance again now. Ewo, hello, Butuzo and go. Jenu no one egwu again. Go, Jenu ebone se menu again. Go to Ebonese and do your dance again. Now let's see. Motherfuckers. Why didn't you people go back to Osun? Oh, on I've been thinking say they go pull out forces. Yeah. If forever ani nege mechaburu barracks. Una kpachapu anya half of Ebonese a ga-emecha rụọ ya barracks. Half of Ebonese a ga-arụ ya. Instead, we will leave an inch of our land for you people. We will turn them into military garrisons. Instead, 1 inch a ga-ahapụ kwado unu. Atọ no ha ncha niile to military garrison. Onye ọbụla ga-eche ihe ọ na-arụ. None of you. Don't worry. They will do a negotiation. The only thing you will be negotiating is AA. AA, kagina gane negotiate. Missiles. Or you gane negotiate. Idiloki. Aburumbo AK. Kagina gane negotiate. If on a thing say, and some of honor, they prepare for 2027. I say, na me and Donna for that election. Na me and Donna. Go tell your politicians, say me. I say, na me and Donna for that election. Because we've seen that the only reason you people want this insecurity is to keep maintaining power. We will now use it against Unuge Mecha Yobikoko India. Unuge Mecha. Those political posts will not reach you. You people will never benefit from any election. Those boys will be useless. I gebu. If they hear me, go buy everybody. Every criminal that refuses to surrender will be by immediately. More na cut this one, so no cut one. Go cut them. We go buy every single criminal. Monagun. You people are not aware that these people thought they have caged an Igbo for life. Oh. They believe that they have gotten the final formula to enslave you. Well, some of us already came from descendants of slaves. You are used to slavery. People like us, we have never been used to slavery and we can never. Okay? We can never. So those of us who accept them, it's up to you. But you see those of us, I swear, we would rather turn the entire Okigwe into military garrison. Instead, Gentle will take it. Imagine in Imo State, Gentle get farm. Do you people remember that rival community in his maternal home, where they invited all the men, buy them, and took their land? It's from that land that they gave Gentle those 50 plots Ikenga talked about. Ikenga did not get that story quite well. It was from that. Now he is breeding hybrid palm trees there, harvesting it. He will kidnap people. They will go there and work in the farm. Some of them, after working in that farm, they will stay by them. And you say you have security in Okigwe. You say you have vigilante in Okigwe. The vigilante, there is no difference between vigilante in Okigwe and Gentles boys. Just like there is no difference between vigilante in Asia and ESN. Asia vigilante will arrest somebody and take them to the ESN camp. Really? Hopefully they've not cooled the operation in Anambra side, though, because me I know say Imo side we've done our own. Oh. If you are dreaming that we will streaming from Osu into Ebonese, you are lying. Oh. We have done our work. If you people are lucky, those people from Lilu, very close to that Mother Valley, if you people are lucky with the right arrangement, maybe we will hold this side while you people push all these people and clear that place. Then start a patrol. If not, that place will remain the way it is. Umuezala will remain the way it is. What's the name of the other community? That's very close to that valley. It will remain that way. Okay? All of these things you are seeing happening in that area, if you people don't stand up, you people thought also people sat on their hands and change came. It's a lie. Apart from the money, it took series of meetings, and you people need to stand up. You people really need to stand up. All right? Don't let them fool you with all these things they are saying. Now the leaders, they get problem. The boys where they inside that place, that money they are making, that kidnapping they are doing, they are not willing to stop it, and it's not stopping anytime soon. It's not stopping anytime soon. On a day there, hey, oh, look at what is happening in Jos. Oh, what is happening? Talk about Plateau State. Look at your own Anambra. Let Jos people talk about what's happening in Jos. And if they refuse to solve their problem in Jos, it's their business. You face your state. Face your state and face your region. Face your region. There is nothing like Nigeria problem. There is nothing like Nigeria problem. We have problem in Plateau State, of which Plateau people will need to solve their problem. We have problem in Imo State, of which Imo people will need to solve their problem. That's why you have states and governors. That's why states have their own budgets, have their own allocations, generate their own revenues. Stop letting fools, all these nonsense people that call themselves media houses, keep getting your mind busy with fake news, nonsense news, sad news every now and then. They are farming bad news for you. Everybody do an antidepressant. Confusing you. Confusing you every day. You will see somebody from the southeast. His number one problem is what is happening in Plateau State. Look at Asia. Have you gone to Amaduru or Sumogu? They burn you well, make you enter farm there. Make IED no explode you. You are not concerned about what is happening in your place. Oh, Kwara, talk about Kwara. And I call a very useless set of people. I'm almost senseless. Ndi Igbo generation How did you people become this senseless? Nobody wants to focus on their place. Somehow you think peace will just return to your place from nowhere. Have you been to Kwara before? No. What's the leading cause of what's happening in Kwara? You don't know. How many people have they arrested there? Have you followed up any investigation there other than the flash news you are seeing? Nothing. Please, I salute our people. I salute our people, the JTF that is working at us. So at least nobody heard any sad news around that place throughout this Easter period. Do you notice how nobody heard any noise there? I can't be mentioning people by name. But all the people from Osu, whose funds, whose time, whose energy made it possible that Osu will breathe again, may you all never lack. Kunu ya mandi nke no Abuja, mandi nke no Onitsha, mandi nke no Owerri, mandi nke no Olu. All of you that brought this peace to Osu. But most importantly, the law enforcement, there are people sitting down right now in Osu. They can't even buy even snacks to eat because nobody, except people have started going in now to sell. If Mary Jane and her friends no get, you no go see anything chop. If you like, pack money full pocket, you no go see anything buy chop. Nothing. And they decided to be that way. To remain there. In order for people to start going back to their farms again. To fight. Far from their families, far from their hometowns, far from their initial places of posting. They turn the community into ghost town and say, it go good for Nnamdi Kanu. Next phase will be waiting for all these ones that are selling, releasing Nnamdi Kanu. Yeah. It be like say they know. Be like they know. What happened to on free Nnamdi Kanu protest? So na will come do for every state for Southeast. If them born on a useless mama will come try and for Imo State. If them born on a useless mama will obona yeji obarunu that's a Imo State man obo. No, this one no be noise. Obo haputa na akoheri. Obo he mo ni chori. Obo he no na awari mo na ezo behind fake account na type nonsense. If Nnamdi Kanu, I know you may be hearing that, of course you have your phone. If them burn you and your useless followers will make person come Imo State come do free Nnamdi Kanu protest, make we see. Let their blood be on my head. Wanna they hear me? Let their blood be on my head. If their leader go, make I die. If their leader put leg there, go. I don't care who the leader is or who it will be. If they burn you well, whether you they call yourself for that tail, whether you they call yourself Ishowere Manu, you they call yourself anything, it's become Imo State to go, call me bastard. This one not be on our government go do. Now we turn because I'm a police go the fire tear gas. We now straight at your body. You go they collect and wutu. That power we una say una get, we go see am. Idiot, bunch of useless fools we no know who their father be. We full Abuja, their mother carry their belly for a shower. We will not know who fuck them, burn the fools. One come, they support the destruction of our place. You hear say we dey find savior. You hear say we dey find savior. Ndara. You hear say we dey find savior. Useless set of people. Fools we no know their father, we no know their village. How many of them don't go village before? That don't come spoil our shape. I don't say how our village they be now. Our village they arrange past most of your cities. Fucking bastards. Idiot we no study better thing for school. Come out and say be activist. Activism na work. Activism na work. You no get job, go come saying be activist. They find who they contribute money, thunder fire your useless family where you from come. Bastards. Shall we not see why at the first main person come out? How do you mean activist? Everybody's an activist. Everybody should be an activist. It's not a job description. It's not a job description. Even in your family, you are an activist. If you are not, you should. You don't get anybody who will be activist separately. Umokoko. Very useless fools. He's an activist. How do you mean activist? Fuck you. Fuck you and fuck your nonsense activist. Who is not an activist? So you don't know what we are doing here is activism too. It's a way of life. It's not job description. Fools. Because they don't use this savior mentality full honor. Any idiot who know if you do anything for life, you go come and say be activist. Who send you? Get the fuck out of here. These ones. Idiots who no know waiting they happen from your place, has never been to any place in the southeast. You go come out, you see them for X, for TikTok, hey, Nnamdi Kanu, what they are doing, that man. Oh, okay, how do you know him? Nepa go take lights for him mouth. Doesn't know him from anywhere. How did they register IPOB? You don't know. What is meaning of IPOB? You don't know. Just anything that is noise against federal government, now waiting they support. Foolish idiot. All of us, we are all graduates. We have no job. What did you study? Mass communication. What did you study? This like rubbish people. Money where them go use, go learn work. They go use them. They smoke for school. They do tramadol. Do drugs, finish. The girls, Ashawo, the boys self follow, they do the Ashawo too now. Do Ashawo finish, come out, they tell you, say no get job. What did you study? Give him linear equation. Give her linear equation. None of them can solve it. The simplest math question, they will not solve it. Nothing there that brain. Pick any topic. Discuss with them. See that they are empty. Watch movie from afternoon. They know every seasonal movies. They know all the rubbish program. Every saga where they social media, they know. Every year bridge where the photo pass, they know. and he say no get job. Will they employ you? Are you employable? If he frustrate finish, now he go come any place where he see any group gather. Oh, now we be rat tail. Now we be rat tail. Any place you see any group, that's where we see them. Because on their own, they cannot stand. People wey dem swear for finish. Go carry their mother picture when their mother young. Not these ones where they baba punk. All these ones where their mother baba punk, where they grow up. When would they grow up? 95% of all the women where they baba punk like this, go see them, they get sex. They know they respect their father for house. Papa go there, children go they do anyhow. Mother know they respect father, how children want respect the father. Now so they go useless if their father want talk. But the man, because you know one trouble, go just once grow finish now come, you go see them any place where you hear group, then follow. Aisha Yusufu today, Showere tomorrow, all this person next tomorrow. Fully set of people. No background. Guys, I beg you the thumbs up. Make I quickly command the Wi-Fi. I don't know what this Wi-Fi just they do nonsense. Nothing. A bunch of useless fools. Hustle. Cha. Nothing what they feed you. Nothing. Both the men and the women amongst them. Go learn how to cut hair for where? Oh, what are you? Theater art. How many of us want to study theater art for this world of social media? Where somebody will no study theater art, go carry camera, put like this, they do skits, they make money. Wait till you they go spend your thousands for. Just make it be say the answer graduate. Foolish people. You see the girls. Go learn saloon work for where how can I be a hairdresser? You know how much where people them make for hair? Oh, my sister say I go travel abroad. Reach abroad, make you see people with $200, you no go even braid hair. $200 for some state. You no go see who go braid your hair. You go see people wey be saying only saloon they get. They buy house for Abuja, buy for Lagos. They still they live for that abroad with you. You go see talentless set of people. Now them they tell you say them be human rights activists. No, we advocate. Advocating for what? What are you advocating? Ndabron. Then you see useless people like Ijele Nnamdi Kanu will come and are you supposed to be like this? Are you supposed? You go see them, all these people where they see. They not like you. What solution are they bringing? None whatsoever. You gather on a use on a raise money, use on a get influence, come they in the way yeah. And they wait for now. Come do your free Nnamdi Kanu protest. Now this one now how long I don't do challenge. Now the second month we don't they count like this. Now the second month we don't they count like this. Ndoshi. Now the second month we don't they count like this. If they burn your useless father well, can't do your free Nnamdi Kanu protest in Imo State. Make thunder fire all of on a useless set of people. Ndoshi. My people, thank you so much for joining me this wonderful morning. I love you all and stay blessed.